Hi everybody, Eugene here to talk to you about your choice for fourth year specializations on the BSc in Technology Management. Now, in this presentation, I'll just go through the structure of year 4 and the 4 different specializations that are available to students studying the BSc in Technology Management. So a good place to start is to look and see what you can and cannot do. First of all, for students coming off the BA MTB 3, that's the BA in Management Technology year 3, the business information stream on the right hand side here is not available to you, and I think you can see why. There's a module there called Business Intelligence and Warehousing 2, and you will not have completed BI and Warehousing 1. Therefore this stream is not available to you because BI and Warehousing 1 is a prerequisite for this stream. Similarly, if you are coming off the BSc in Technology Management year 3, you will not be able to do this stream if you did not do the BI and Warehousing 1 elective in year 3. So that leaves 3 other specializations. You can see here on the right hand side we've got specializations in data analytics, social media, and in business analysis. So let's go through these specializations and see what they might mean or not mean for you. First off, you can see that in semester 1, which is the bottom half of the diagram here, all of the modules are 5 credits. Now the project is divided into 20 credits overall, and we divide this up by putting 5 credits in semester 1 and 15 credits in semester 2, and the project is assessed at the end of the year. So essentially that project part 1, 5 credits in semester 1, is not assessed during the semester, but there are classes and there are things that you will need to do during that time, such as project proposal and so on. And then you can see we've got 4 modules which are common to all streams: strategic management, global supply chain management, business data analysis, and technology management. So no matter what stream you go for, these modules are compulsory for all. And in the first semester then, essentially you've got to choose between these 4 modules based on your stream. And do be aware that if you choose, say for example, the data analytics stream in semester 1, that you must continue on with that stream in semester 2. So far, swapping between streams mid-semester is not permissible. So the data analytics stream in semester 1, the module there is programming for big data. Yes, there is programming in it, but a lot of people do this module not having done programming before. It's on other courses, and the programming languages we use here are Python in the main and some R programming. And these are R is a statistical programming language for analyzing data, and Python, for example, Google Analytics is written in Python. They make a lot of use of that language, so it might be of interest to some of you, especially if you're interested in big data and data analytics. Our second specialization is in social media, and this module here is called Advanced Rich Internet Applications. So I think that's recently been changed to Advanced Web Applications, and this emphasis on the word advanced here. So if you are into web technologies and developing websites and developing applications that will run on the web, or you want to learn more about that with a social media influence, then this module may well be for you. And finally, in semester 1, the business analysis specialization, the module here is requirements management, and this is the business analysis is all about requirements. It's all about gathering requirements and analyzing them and managing them, and this module here focuses on the management side of business analysis. Moving into semester 2 then, I've already mentioned that 15 of the 30 credits in semester 2 goes on the project, so that's a huge part. And your project, by the way, should be based on your stream. So for example, if you are doing the data analytics stream, we will be expecting you to do quite a substantial analysis of a large data set. So they'll be taking a big data file and asking some questions of that. Starting at the top, the data analytics stream, the 2 modules here that are separate from the project are data and web mining and advanced business data analysis. And in the data and web mining, which is more of an emphasis on the data mining rather than on the web mining, you'll use technologies such as Hadoop. You'll also be using programming languages like Python and especially R again. And so this might be a module for those of you who are interested in, again, in big data. And the Advanced Business Data Analysis module, which is a module I teach myself, this also uses R, but it also uses packages such as SPSS for analyzing data with a statistical point of view, and we also use some Excel in that module as well. And so that's a statistics module, and as the name suggests, it builds upon the Business Data Analysis module in semester 1. So if you're interested in you're good at calculations and you're interested in data and you'd like to be able to analyze and make decisions on data, then this stream is probably the one for you. The second stream in semester 2 is the social media stream. Now, just a word of warning, this stream did not run in the first year of this program due to insufficient numbers. The first module there is a business intelligence and analytics with social media module, and in this module you will be using technologies like Node Excel and Wandora, and also you'll be looking at central indices, network models, trust network propagation, location-based analysis, bag of words, sentiment analysis, content analysis. So there's quite a bit of mining in all of this, so you'll be looking through lots of text and lots of data and trying to find some links, patterns and trends in those data. For the public relations and social media module, yes, here there might be some interest to some of you. Twitter will be explained, its functionality, advertising, examples and tips. So too with LinkedIn and Google+. Facebook is also in this and here. As far as PR, public relations is concerned, you'll be looking at the principles, looking at PR tools, making transmedia campaigns, and you'll also be looking at some privacy and online privacy and internet issues, plus of course some rich media and social media monitoring. The third specialization in the second semester is the business analysis one, and the 10 credit module here is business process management. This is very similar to a module that was on the old BA in technology management, and as the name suggests here, this is all about learning how to improve business processes, how to measure performance in processes, and how to make a difference, and some problem solving techniques in that module as well. And that stream then is wrapped up with Agile Project Management. In your second year, or possibly third year, I think it was, you will have studied a module called IT Project Management. This is another type of project management using the Agile method, which, as the name suggests, is a very, very flexible method, very different from the old waterfall methods that you would have heard about before. And this is a prominent project management tool or methodology that's used an awful lot in software development and in IT companies. And certainly a business analyst would need to know how this works. So choose your specialization carefully. Do be aware that particularly when we have small classes, that not all specializations might run. So for example, in the year just finished, we've only run 2 out of the 4, and those 2 are the business analysis and data analytics streams. So we don't guarantee that any of them will run, and so when you're looking at this and making your decision, do specify your first and second and third choice and so on, so that when we add up the numbers we can make a decision on which streams are going to run and which ones will not run. And clearly the business information systems one will probably not run, and also if there was only say 1 or 2 students interested in social media, for example, that's not going to run either. So even if you choose something as option number 1, there's no guarantee that we will be running that stream. For further information, of course, go to our old friend www.ncirl.ie, or you'll find some more information on brochure and links to module descriptors on this course. This is Eugene O'Loughlin signing out here. Do be aware that I'm very close to this course. I'm very keen that you choose the right option for you. So do feel free to come and talk to me, call me, email me, knock on my door, drop in at any time if you want any discussion before you make a final decision. My usual advice to students is to choose something that you're passionate about, choose something that you're interested in, as well as choose something that you think you'll do well in. So, but interest is the most important thing. Okay, and the best of luck to you all.